How many hours have you spent learning English? Think about it. School, college, coaching classes, grammar books, YouTube videos, thousands of hours, years of effort. And after all those years, how much money have you made from it?
Nothing. Zero.
And that's the frustrating part, because every year, millions of Indians invest time learning English because they believe it will create opportunities. They believe it will help them get better jobs, better careers, better lives. And that's true. But nobody teaches them how to monetize English itself, so English becomes a skill they use every day, but never a skill that pays them. Meanwhile, someone with the same level of English is teaching students online and earning in dollars. Someone else is running English coaching classes from home. Someone else is growing a YouTube channel. Someone else is selling courses and making money while they sleep. The difference isn't their English. The difference is that they know how to turn English into income. And that's exactly what we're going to talk about today. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 proven ways people in India are making money using English right now. No degree required, no big investment, just your English, a phone or laptop, and a plan. And we're not just going to discuss ideas. We're going to break down the platforms, the earning potential, the exact steps to get started. So let's begin. Income stream number 1, teaching English. This is your fastest path to earn.
We are starting here for one reason. This is the income stream with the lowest barrier to entry. You already have the skill. You just need to show up and teach it.
And here is something most people do not realize. When we say teaching English, we're actually talking about 2 completely different businesses. Let me explain. The first type is teaching English as a language, ESL teaching.
In this model, you teach English to people who do not speak it or do not speak it well. You're helping them become fluent. This is the biggest market in the world right now. Think about it. Over 1.5 billion people are learning English globally. In countries like Korea, Japan, Saudi Arabia, Brazil, China, and many others, demand for English teachers from India is massive.
And you do not need to be in those countries. You teach from home, online, right from your phone or laptop, and you get paid in dollars. The second type is teaching English for a purpose.
This is a completely different market. Here, your students already speak some English, but they need help with a specific goal. For example,
Business English for professionals who need to write emails, run meetings, give presentations. Interview coaching for job seekers who need to sound confident in English interviews. Spoken English fluency for people who understand English but freeze when they speak. English for kids, massive demand from parents of 5 to 12-year-olds across Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities.
each of these is a separate market. Each one pays differently, and you can choose the one that matches your own strengths. Teaching English is not one job. It is multiple different businesses inside one skill. Once you understand that, opportunities start appearing everywhere. Now let's talk about the platform.
Platform number 1, Cambly. This is the most popular platform for teaching English online, and it is perfect if you're just getting started.
Cambly is an on-demand English conversation platform. Students from all over the world, mostly from non-English speaking countries, book short sessions to practice speaking. Your job is to have natural English conversations with them and help them improve. You do not need to plan a lesson. You do not need to make slides. You just talk. You need a good level of spoken English. Accent does not matter. You do not need a teaching degree. You need a stable internet connection, a laptop or desktop, and a webcam. Applications are open to Indian tutors. Cambly has been accepting Indian applicants.
Here is how a Cambly session actually works. You set your availability on the Cambly calendar. A student picks a slot, you connect via video call, you talk for 30 minutes.
Topics are usually open. Students choose what to discuss. Sometimes it is casual conversation. Sometimes it is a specific topic they want help with. Your job is to be engaging, patient, and clear.
So, how much does Cambly pay?
Cambly pays approximately $10 per hour. Now, before anyone comments that this isn't life-changing money, remember something. We're talking about a skill many people already have. No inventory, no office, no employees, no investment, just English. And once you gain confidence, you can move to higher paying opportunities. Cambly Kids is another option, which is a separate app for teaching children aged 4 to 12. It pays slightly higher per minute, and once you are rated well by a few families, they rebook you regularly.
So, how to apply to Cambly? Go to cambly.com/tutor and fill in the application form. Record a short introduction video, 2 to 3 minutes, speaking naturally about yourself. Wait for approval. It typically takes 1 to 3 weeks. Set your availability slots and wait for your first student. After your first few sessions, ask students to rate you. Ratings unlock more bookings.
Platform number 2, Preply. Now let's talk about the next level. This is a different kind of platform. On Preply, you're not just a tutor. You're building a personal brand inside the platform. Preply is a marketplace where students search for tutors, compare profiles, and book lessons directly. Unlike Cambly, where students are assigned to you, on Preply, you need to attract students to your profile.
That sounds harder, but here is the advantage. On Preply, you set your own rate. And once you build a base of regular students, your income becomes very predictable. You create a tutor profile, photo, intro video, your teaching style, your rates. Students search and find you. They book a trial lesson. If they like you, they subscribe to a weekly lesson package. You get paid for every session they attend.
How much does Preply pay?
Tutor set hourly rate, $15 to $40 per hour, you decide. The monthly earning potential is 40,000 to 80,000 rupees. Once you have 15 to 20 regular students, you will be running a stable business. Now let's talk about how to succeed on Preply. Record a warm, clear intro video. This is what converts profile visits into bookings. Start with a competitive rate, 600 rupees to 800 rupees per hour equivalent, to build your rating. Offer a discounted trial lesson to attract your first 5 students. After each lesson, ask students to leave a review. Social proof drives all future bookings. As your rating grows, raise your rate by $2 to $3 every few months.
There are other platforms like Vedantu, which is India's biggest virtual online tutoring platform. They offer one-on-one sessions and group classes, and you can earn 200 to 500 rupees per hour. Experienced tutors can earn from 800 to 1,500 per hour. If you need detailed step-by-step guide for these platforms, just comment below. I will create separate detailed video on each of these platforms. And yes, don't forget to subscribe.
Other Indian platforms to explore are Urban Pro. List yourself as a local English tutor. Students find and contact you directly. Superprof, similar to Urban Pro. You set your own rate and manage your own bookings. Here is a truth nobody talks about. Every platform takes a cut. Cambly takes a percentage. Preply takes 18 to 33%. Vedantu sets your rate for you. The highest earning English teachers online are the ones who eventually leave the platforms and teach on their own.
You build your audience first on YouTube, Instagram, or WhatsApp communities. Then you move them to your own Google Meet or Zoom classes. You collect payments via Razorpay, Google Pay, or Instamojo. Zero commission, 100% yours.
What independent teachers charge? Spoken English group class of 10 students? 500 rupees per student. That's 5,000 rupees per session. One-on-one IELTS coaching. 1,500 rupees to 3,000 rupees per hour. Corporate English training per company. 15,000 rupees to 50,000 rupees per month. 30-day English course, self-paced. 2,000 rupees to 5,000 rupees per student.
The path is simple. Start on a platform to build confidence and your first reviews. Then use those reviews and that experience to attract your own students.
Teaching English is the foundation. But the next income stream? This is where things get really interesting, because your content works even when you sleep. I am talking about YouTube, your English working 24/7.
Every other income stream we are talking about today, you trade time for money. You teach 1 hour, you earn 1 hour's pay. You stop teaching, you stop earning.
YouTube is different. You upload one video, that video earns money for the next 5 years while you sleep. A video you made in 2024 can still be paying you in 2029.
That is what makes YouTube worth the patience it requires. Because it does require patience. Let us be honest about that.
So, what kind of English channel should you start? Here are some examples. Spoken English tips for Indian professionals, massive underserved audience. English for job interviews, high intent, high search volume. Business English phrases and email writing. Working professionals actively search this. English through stories and real-life situations, entertainment plus education. Pick one, just one, and go deep. The channels that grow are not the ones covering everything. They are the ones known for one specific thing. Now let's talk about how YouTube pays you. Stream 1 is AdSense, YouTube Partner Program.
This is the most well-known way. YouTube places ads on your videos. Every time someone watches an ad, you earn money. This is called CPM, cost per 1,000 views.
Indian viewers' CPM is 40 rupees to 120 rupees per 1,000 views. This might seem less, but established channels in this space are earning between 1 lakh to 4 lakh per month. Stream 2, brand sponsorships.
Once you cross 10,000 subscribers with good engagement, brands start approaching you. English learning channels attract very specific brands, and those brands pay well. Some of the brands who pays well are
English learning apps are Cambly, Preply, Elsa Speak, Duolingo Plus. EdTech platforms are Coursera, Udemy, Unacademy. Productivity and career tools are Grammarly, LinkedIn Learning, Notion. Here is the breakdown of the sponsorship rate. 10,000 subscribers sponsorship rate, 5,000 rupees to 25,000 rupees per video. 50,000 subscribers rate, 25,000 rupees to 80,000 rupees per video. 100,000 subscribers rate, 75,000 rupees to 200,000 rupees per video. Stream 3, affiliate marketing in video descriptions. Every tool you mention in your video, Grammarly, Cambly, a course, has an affiliate program. You sign up, get a special link, put it in your video description. Every time a viewer buys through your link, you earn a commission. Grammarly affiliate, up to $20 per paid sign-up. Cambly affiliate, commission per student referral. Coursera affiliate, 45% commission on course purchases. Amazon affiliate, works for any book or product you recommend. Stream 4, your own products, the highest margin.
This is where the real money is. Once you have an audience, you do not need a brand to pay you. You sell directly.
A 30-day email course at 499 rupees. Sell to 200 subscribers and you earn 100,000 rupees. A 2-hour masterclass at 1,999 rupees. Sell to 50 people and you earn 100,000 rupees. A complete IELTS preparation course at 3,999 rupees. Sell to 25 people and you earn 100,000 rupees.
The same video that earns 500 rupees from AdSense can also earn 50,000 rupees from a course sale. Same video, different income stream.
So, what is the realistic YouTube growth timeline? Month 1 to 3, 0 to 500 subscribers, 0 income. This is normal. Month 4 to 6, 500 to 2,000 subscribers, small AdSense begins. Month 7 to 12, 2,000 to 10,000 subscribers, first brand deals possible. Year 2, 10,000 to 50,000 subscribers, multiple income streams active. Year 3 plus, 50,000 plus subscribers. YouTube becomes your primary income. YouTube rewards people who stay. Most people quit before month 6. If you do not quit, you're already ahead of 90% of people who started. YouTube takes time to build. Let's bring everything together. Today you've seen 3 proven ways to turn your English into income. Income stream number 1, teaching English. Platforms like Cambly, Preply, Vedantu, or even your own students. A great way to start earning with the skills you already have.
Income stream number 2, YouTube. Create content, build an audience, and earn through AdSense, sponsorships, and your own products.
Income stream number 3, affiliate marketing. Recommend useful tools and resources and earn commissions as your audience grows. Now here's the important thing. You don't need to start all 3. You just need to start one. One student, one video, one affiliate link, one step this week. Because 6 months from now, you'll either be wishing you had started today or you'll be glad that you did.
So tell me in the comments, which of these 3 income streams are you starting first?
Teaching English, YouTube, or affiliate marketing? If you found this video helpful, share it with someone who has good English but doesn't realize how valuable that skill can be. And if you want more practical videos on English, communication, and online income, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep growing, and keep moving forward.